For years, Agile was believed to be exclusive to software development. Yet the modern world moves too fast for rigid plans and long approval chains. Today, industries like construction, event management, and marketing face constant changes. Client requests evolve, deadlines shift, budgets shrink, and unexpected problems appear daily. This is exactly where Agile becomes powerful. It offers short cycles instead of long phases, collaboration instead of silos, and real-time feedback instead of delayed reviews. Projects become more flexible, risks are detected earlier, and value is delivered step by step, not at the very end. Agile is no longer just a methodology, it is a mindset. And when applied correctly, it can transform even the most traditional industries into adaptive, responsive, and customer-focused systems. Let's explore how Agile works in non-software projects, and why it might be the competitive advantage you've been searching for. Why Agile beyond software? The world has changed. Uncertainty has become normal. Markets shift quickly, customer expectations evolve daily, and projects rarely stay exactly as planned. Traditional methods like waterfall struggle in this reality because they assume the plan is correct from day one. But in modern industries, the plan changes, and success depends on how fast we adapt. That's why Agile goes far beyond software. It offers a flexible, collaborative, and feedback-driven approach that suits any project where requirements may change, customers expect fast results, risks need to be managed early, teams must work across multiple functions, time to market is critical. Agile turns large, risky efforts into small, manageable sprints, allowing teams to deliver value quickly, receive feedback, and improve continuously. Instead of waiting for the perfect plan, Agile teaches teams to learn while doing. In non-software industries like construction, events, and marketing, this mindset becomes a competitive advantage. Agile helps eliminate bottlenecks, improve communication, reduce waste, and build solutions that truly meet client expectations. Agile is not just a process, it is a strategic advantage for any organization that must respond to change. How Agile works in construction. Agile adapts to construction by breaking large phases into short work cycles, called sprints, often 1 or 2 weeks, focused on specific goals like foundation work, electrical installation, or roofing. Instead of waiting for full completion, teams conduct daily stand-up meetings on site to review progress, solve issues quickly, and coordinate subcontractors. A task backlog is used to list and prioritize materials, permits, inspections, and manpower needs. Visual tools such as Kanban boards or hybrid Gantt Agile boards allow everyone, from architects to site engineers, to track progress instantly. After each milestone, a walkthrough or review is held with the client to validate results and adapt design choices if needed. This approach improves transparency, detects delays early, and avoids costly rework by integrating feedback continuously. In the end, Agile transforms construction from a rigid sequence of tasks into a highly collaborative and responsive system that adapts to real conditions on site. Benefits: early identification of risks and delays, increased client collaboration, flexibility for design, requirement changes, better resource and subcontractor coordination. Real example: a hotel renovation project. Created a sprint per floor, weekly site stand-ups, client review after each sprint. Changes implemented quickly, avoiding costly rework. Agile for event management. Event projects are fast-paced and highly dynamic, making them ideal for Agile. Instead of planning everything months in advance and hoping it works, Agile divides the event process into short sprints, such as venue planning, speaker coordination, branding, promotion, logistics, and execution. Each sprint has clear goals and a deadline, enabling rapid progress and continuous stakeholder feedback. Daily or weekly stand-up meetings help align all departments, design, finance, marketing, logistics, so problems are solved early rather than turning into last-minute crises. A Kanban or task board is used to track responsibilities, vendor agreements, approvals, and preparation milestones. The event leader acts as the product owner, ensuring priorities match the event vision, while a coordinator plays the Scrum Master role to remove obstacles and keep momentum. After the event, a retrospective is conducted to evaluate what worked well and what should improve for the next event. This makes event management smarter, more flexible, and capable of delivering memorable experiences with fewer surprises. Benefits: smooth coordination across teams, design, logistics, finance, clear priorities. Reduces last-minute chaos, real-time feedback loop, high flexibility if speakers, vendors cancel. Real example: a corporate conference used Agile. 3-week sprint planning, daily coordination, stand-ups, Kanban for tracking vendors, marketing, catering, post-event retrospective to improve next events. Significantly Agile in marketing projects, marketing moves at high speed, influenced by trends, customer behavior, and real-time data, which makes it a perfect match for Agile. Instead of launching one large campaign after months of preparation, Agile breaks marketing work into short sprints focused on measurable outcomes such as content creation, ad testing, social media engagement, SEO updates, or product launch preparation. Cross-functional squads are formed where copywriters, designers, analysts, and strategists work together in small cycles, delivering real results every week. A/B testing becomes a natural part of the process: publish, observe, analyze, and refine. Tools like Kanban boards and campaign backlogs help track tasks and priorities, ensuring transparency between marketing, sales, and product teams. Stand-up meetings keep everyone aligned, while continuous feedback ensures that campaigns adapt to customer responses instead of staying stuck in the original plan. With Agile, marketing becomes more experimental, data-driven, and responsive, turning campaigns into living strategies that evolve as the market changes. Benefits: faster campaign delivery, data-driven decisions, rapid experimentation, fail-fast mindset, transparency between marketing and sales teams. Challenges and solutions: applying Agile outside software often meets resistance, especially in industries used to traditional planning. Many teams are comfortable with the waterfall approach and may struggle to adapt to shorter sprints or continuous feedback. To overcome this, organizations can begin with a hybrid model, combining Agile practices with existing workflows to make the transition smoother. Another common challenge is the difficulty of tracking tasks across multiple departments. Using visual Kanban boards or digital collaboration tools helps create clarity and shared responsibility. Clients may also hesitate when they hear that plans will change frequently. This can be solved by educating stakeholders and involving them in reviews so they understand that continuous feedback leads to better results, not chaos. Finally, resistance to change is natural in any industry. Starting with a small pilot project helps demonstrate quick wins and builds trust. When supported by training, communication, and gradual adoption, Agile becomes a powerful framework that improves efficiency, reduces risks, and enables real-time responsiveness in any non-software project. Final thoughts: Agile outside software. Agile is not a process, it's a way of thinking. Deliver value in small steps, keep feedback loops short, allow change instead of fighting it, focus on customer and collaboration. Construction builds walls. Events build experiences. Marketing builds trust. Agile builds adaptability in any industry.